leaves are falling one by one.
Fall is here and it's officially cozy season. So this is the time we all crave warmth, texture, and that homey feeling that makes us just want to stay in, sip coffee, and watch the rain. But here is the thing, you don't need to fill your home with pumpkins and orange everywhere. Today, I'm sharing simple, modern, and creative fall decor ideas that make your home feel effortlessly cozy without going overboard. So, number one, mix natural textures. Start with texture, add woven baskets, chunky knit blankets, or a rattan light. Fall decor isn't just about color, it's about how a space feels. Natural textures bring that cozy, earthy warmth instantly. Number two, try a warm, moody color palette. Instead of the usual bright orange, go for muted tones terracotta, deep green, mustard, or clay. So, even changing a few pillow covers or adding wall art in the shades can completely shift the mood. Number three, layer lighting for that fall glow. Lighting is everything. Mix warm tone bulb, candles, or fairy lights. Layered lighting adds softness and makes any room instantly inviting. Number 4. Bring nature inside. Head outdoors, grab some dried branches, or fill a vase with pampas grass. These small organic touches bring the beauty of fall inside, simple and timeless. Number 5. Add seasonal accents subtly. Use mini pumpkins, rustic candles holders, or a simple fall wreath. You don't need to over decorate, just one or two accents per room can create the perfect cozy vibe. Fall decor should make you feel something, right? Calm, grounded, and connected. So it's not about trends, it's about creating warmth in your space and in your heart. So tell me in the comments what's your favorite fall decorating idea this year. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's make every season feel like home. Bye for now.